Now we have more practice question for the same topic. You can read the requirement is written as earliest as possible. Relief as soon as possible. In individual, we discussed this hint as well. As soon as possible. If examiner wrote down this thing, this means apply the loss relief in this order. Current year, carried back. How many months carried back? 12 months, and then carry forward. We knows this from the individual topic that if examiner says as soon as possible, it means current year carried back and whatever left over will be carried forward. Now this is the question. I need you to just go through with the question numbers so it's easy for you. Okay. Now, which is the year of loss? Loss arises in which year?
31st December 2020.
How much is the loss?
100,000.
Okay. So we have loss available. So I am writing loss arises in 9 months ended 31st 12 2020 and the loss is 100,000. Okay, big amount. This is the year of loss, period of loss, and the remaining just I am putting the data as we used to do. Trading profit, tax adjusted trading profit. Now this is not an individual, so I will just add quickly all the other incomes. 3,000, 10,000, 5,000, 0, 10,000, 40,000, 10,000 and 0. Any doubts? QCD will be the last one. This total 50. Here also 50, then 20, and then 43, I guess. This is my total profit. Loss relief. Now carefully, please. Current year and carried back how many months? 12 months. This is the period of loss. Current year, how much you can adjust? How much you can adjust?
Only for 12 months.
Sorry?
Only for 12 months.
50,000?
Yeah, 50,000.
Current year adjustment is 50,000. So the loss left over is 50,000. How many months you are allowed to go back?
12 months.
Now, very carefully, I will ask you, what is this? This is what? Is what written? Highlighted in yellow is
Year end.
year end.
Year
And you are
end.
allowed, year end means how many months?
12 months.
And you are allowed how many months?
12 months.
So I will go this one in this manner and I will adjust 20,000 here used in year end 31st March 2020 and 30,000 to be carried forward. Correct or no? Now 40, 1 second. And the carry forward, this is not an individual. This is what? This is companies. And companies carry forward relief will apply from trading income or from total income?
Total income.
Sorry?
For companies, it's total income.
Total income. So I make it here. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
So used in 31st 12/21, 30,000 means available loss is 0. So 43 here, 0, 0, 20,000. And I have QCD 1,000. Okay, fine. Here West This one also vested, and this one 1000, and I am going to get TTPs 42,000, 0, 0, and 19,000. Any confusion? Current year carried back, carry forward. When we carried it back, see, I am not focusing this that this is the period of 9 months. What I should do? No, Khalli Walli, this is not the case. What you need to see, you are going back. You are going back. Just look. The previous period is year end. Yes, it is year end. Khalas, finish. Just apply the relief and the leftover carry forward. Any questions? Any confusion? Please ask. Otherwise, note it down. We have discussed PLC. There is a small difference between star PLC and the last question which we did milk. A small difference. Very carefully. I just calculated the total profit which was just copying paste from the question. They wrote it as early as possible means current year loss relief will be current, then carried back. How many months carried back? 12 months, and whatever will be left, it will be carry forward. This is the year of loss. No future information is available. So we will only show the carry forward amount in the memorandum. We will not show it in adjustment. Now, current year, how much you will adjust? The loss is 50,000. In the current year, yani year of loss, how much you can adjust? Your voice is not coming up.
6,000 is used.
6,000, correct. So I left with 44,000. Okay. Oh, sorry. 6,000 current. 6,000 0. Now I will go back very carefully. This is how many months? I am going back. I am allowed how many months? I am allowed 12 months. If I coming back, this is how many months only?
Only 5 months.
Sorry?
It's only 5 months.
So out of 12, I came only 5 months back. How many months left?
7 months.
This 20, so this 7 months, I will come here or no? Allowed or no? Yes, it's allowed. So how I will come? This 7 I calculated. See this amount of 27,500. This is for the 7 months or this is for the year end?
Year end.
So how much amount for 7 months? If I use the maths.
1604.
So how much I can adjust from here? 16042. Sorry. Let me make the memorandum. So you can see in the mint, the last question, and in the star, there's a difference. The previous, we have to look. If it is less than 12, we have to complete the 12 months. And if it is 12 months, we are allowed only 12 months come going back. So that's the case, and that is the trading losses for companies. Only one thing left, which is terminal loss of company. And this is a very small topic. So inshallah in the next class we will start with that one and we will continue with till the group reliefs and the losses and corporation tax will be completed inshallah. We will try to do it by tomorrow. Okay. Any questions in this one? I'm just completing it.
No questions.
Okay, just tell me the figures, the final figures. 11458. This will be my TTPY because there is no QCD available in this question. And that's it for the trading losses for companies. Only one small topic, which is terminal losses left, and then we will move forward with the group relief or group losses. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.